You can do anything in Talking Tom and Friends World. Make your very own character. Pick fun clothes, cool hair, and cute outfits. Show off your style. Explore the map and decorate rooms the way you like. Use your favorite colors. Make a magical princess bedroom, a blossoming spring paradise, or a secret superhero base. There are no rules, so play your way in a world where little stories grow big. So, what'll be your story? Download Talking Tom and Friends World today. It's free.